If I had to describe my experience at LCI Melbourne, I'd say that it's inspiring.
Definitely challenging, I think, because we are constantly being pushed. I've definitely had a lot of fun over the last few years. LCI Melbourne is very empowering.
Whatever I contribute, hold my body and spirit into that line. I see myself through my line. Even you making little painting using whole body.
What's special about LCI Melbourne to me is the one-on-one time with our tutors.
The class sizes are smaller.
It becomes really tailored to you and what direction you want to go with your career.
So usually you fix first, neckline, point, and you will pin always in this direction.
The facilities are amazing.
We have an amazing studio for shooting film and photography.
There's visual arts room, there's also editing room.
Everything here is tailored to all of the different majors, but it also inspires other people to work together.
I feel like LCI Melbourne is going to be my little bubble where I can express my creativity and just be crazy about my work.
There's this community of understanding and the want to build each other up.
The push for me to come to LCI Melbourne was their global network.
If you want to do, say for example, studying abroad, I think that's fantastic because we've got so many of our campuses around the world.
It really develops a mindset and a culture of you need to be the best you can be, and we believe in you to do that.
I want to challenge people to view art and design differently. It's more than just art. We have the power to change the world. I'm ready.